Joe Wolf here at Louis Trophy House in Kalamazoo, Michigan. Probably within the first 3 months, we saw a 30% spike in new clientele, part of sales climbing 30%. And then, I started tracking it in another 3 months. It jumped up another 5%. And I tried to pinpoint it and narrow it down of what it was. And after I did all my research, ran the numbers, it basically came down to the new marketing program that we ended up doing with Rockstar Designs. To me, it's kind of a no-brainer. It's more under my control. I can decide how much money we're giving out, how much we're going to sell. They will be behind the 8 ball if they don't do something like this with Rockstar Design. Like I said, you can go to third parties, but you lose 100% control of what you want to do. Honestly, I think that's the way that the future is going to go. There's a lot of things that I really like, but the one thing that I do like is that when we try new things, and then at the end of the day, we see a growth in our sales.